Being born a woman is my awful tragedy. From the moment I was conceived, I was doomed to sprout breasts and ovaries rather than a penis and scrotum, to have my whole circle of action, thought, and feeling rigidly circumscribed by my inescapable femininity. Sylvia Plath. It all started when I was 15, naive, sexually repressed, amongst other things. I'd never had a good interaction with a boy. I was engulfed by this feeling, a new start, something better. My life changed the day I met John Doe. He wasn't the man of my dreams. He was the first boy to not act with any scorn or malintent. At least that's what I thought. I latched onto him. This had to be it. I wasn't just this ugly, weird girl. I was wanted. I was desired. It was silly of me to think that I mattered. The rabbits must accept their role in the ritual. I thought that love meant sex. 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 That's all he thought about. So of course, I did too. I was viewed with hungry eyes and admittedly masturbated to. It didn't matter what I wore, didn't matter when tears streamed down my face. A hand with ill intentions would snake around my waist, fingers would creep into my jeans. I was made into a fantasy, a hairless creature with pigtails and braces. We used to go behind the school, sloppy kisses and exploration. I felt exposed. I never said no. This was normal, so just endure. With my family, my phone would alert me. He wanted me to tell him a fantasy so he could get off. Well, I picked up my food, but felt physically sick. My parents asked me about my day, while John Doe pictured me naked. His mother viewed me in her own way, a threat. A 15-year-old girl, a threat. Her words were kind, but her eyes spelled whore. That's not me. Get thee to a nunnery. I didn't feel anything. Every part of me evaporated. The cord was cut, and I was slowly dying. I had been raped. 3 birthdays passed. I still wasn't dead. I saw things. I heard voices. I starved myself. I vomited. I whored myself out, dangled my bones before hungry men. That's what nature's usage wants of you. You are not silentious. By my 21st birthday, I was almost there. I stood on the precipice. 10 minutes. Could all be over. I wrote a note full of blame, hate. No respect was left. You don't understand. I see it in my dreams. I see it when I'm awake. I failed. It frustrated me. I was humiliated, scared. I screamed and cried. I was met with scorn. Just forget what happened. Over time, I got help. I could face it in a dream state. I could face it in reality. The psychosis left. Crying on stairwells and shoulders, imbibing and indulging, stolen kisses and sweet nothings, but it never came crashing down. Perhaps someday I'll crawl back home, beaten, defeated, but not as long as I can make stories out of my heartbreak, beauty out of sorrow. I felt anger, but it was righteous. I mattered. For the first time in my life, I felt that I mattered. The orchid bloomed.